Here in this section, we are going to discuss about Class 9 NCERT chapter Structure of the Atom. When we discuss about the structure of an atom, there were many scientists proposed various atomic models. Among them, the Thomson's model of an atom is the first one. The Thomson proposed that an atom consists of a positively charged sphere and the electrons are embedded in it. The negative and positive charges are equal in magnitude, so the atom will be electrically neutral. The second model of atom is the Rutherford model of an atom. Rutherford put forward the nuclear model of an atom, which had the following features. The first one is there is a positively charged center in the atom. It is called as nucleus. Nearly all the mass of an atom resides in the nucleus. Second one is the electron revolve around the nucleus in the circular path. And the third one is the size of the nucleus is very small as compared to the size of the atom. Next model is the Bohr model of an atom. Its postulates are only certain special orbits known as discrete orbit of electrons are allowed inside the atom. While revolving in discrete orbit, the electron do not radiate energy. These orbits or shells are called energy levels. This is the nucleus of the atom. This is the first shell or orbit of the nucleus. This is known as the K shell. And this is the second shell of the atom and it is known as L shell. This is the third shell and it is known as M shell. This is the fourth shell, it is known as N shell, and after that also shells are there. Next one is components of the atom. There are three components: proton, neutron, and electron. Proton are the positively charged subatomic particle present in the nucleus. Neutron also the present in nucleus, but it is chargeless. Except hydrogen, all the atoms have neutrons. Then last one is electron. These are negatively charged subatomic particle orbiting the nucleus. Let us discuss about how electrons are distributed in different orbits. There are certain rules followed for writing the number of electrons in different energy levels. First one is the maximum number of electrons present in a shell is given by the formula 2n square, where n is the number orbit number. For k it is 1, L 2, m 3, like that. The second one is the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in the outermost orbit is 8. And the last one is electrons are not accommodated in given shell unless the inner shell are filled. For the first shell, that is K shell, it can occupy maximum 2 electrons. By using the formula 2n square, we can find out the maximum number of electrons one shell can occupy. Second shell is L shell, it can occupy maximum of 8. The third one is M shell, it can occupy the maximum 18 electrons. Atomic structure of some elements are given below. The first one is hydrogen. For hydrogen, its atomic number is 1. So the number of proton is 1 and the number of electron also the same 1. For hydrogen, the first shell, that is first orbit is K shell, and one electron will be accumulated in the first shell itself, because the first shell K shell can accumulate maximum of 2 electron. The second atom is lithium. For lithium, its atomic number is 3, so maximum electron will be 3. For the first shell, that is K shell, can accumulate maximum of 2 electron. Okay. Then the next level, the second orbit is the L shell. L shell can maximum accumulate 8 electrons. So the remaining one will be go to this L shell. Next, we can take the neon. For neon, its atomic number is 10. So the first shell will accumulate the maximum of 2, and the second shell can accumulate maximum of 8. So the remaining 8 will be accumulated in the second shell. This is valence electron. The electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom is known as valence electrons. And the next is valency. That is the combining capacity of an atom is called as its valency. What is atomic number and mass number? Atomic number is defined as the total number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. And mass number is defined as the sum of total number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom. Atoms of some elements have same atomic number but different mass number. These are called isotopes. The chemical properties of isotopes are similar but their physical properties are different. Example for some isotopes are for hydrogen, it has three isotopes: protium, deuterium, and tritium. And isotope of carbon are carbon 12 and carbon 14. And for chlorine also two isotopes are there. Applications of some isotopes are given below. The isotope of uranium is used as a fuel in nuclear reactors, and isotope of cobalt is used in the treatment of cancer, and isotope of iodine can be used in the treatment of goiter. Last topic is isobars. The atoms of different elements with a different atomic number and have the same mass number is known as isobars. For example, calcium and argon. These two have the mass number 40 and the atomic number different 20 and 18.